Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the today's session, I am sharing how to become a freelancer, how to start a career in freelancing, and what are the best websites to do freelancing jobs, and what are the main points you have to think about before starting freelancing. You will get answer for all these questions in this session. Okay, first let me tell you what is freelancing. So freelancing is something which is different from full-time job or different from a regular 9 to 5 jobs in the corporate company environment. Then what is the exactly definition of freelancing? Freelancing is basically a short-term contract with different companies or web developers or some other organizations and doing some assignments for them within deadline. So by using freelancing, we can earn more money through online. So freelancing is a process of making money online. What are the best websites are there to start their freelancing career jobs? So these are the best websites to start as a freelancer career. First one is Upwork. So this is one of the most famous freelancing website. Upwork is one of the world's largest online workplace where you can find different technologies projects, and even different clients are waiting for freelancers. Okay, and next one is Fiverr. So this is also one of the famous freelancing website. Okay, and next one is People Per Hour. Okay, another one is freelancer.com. A number of websites are there to start as a freelancer career, but I highly recommend you, these are the famous one. These are the famous one, Upwork and Fiverr, and then freelancer.com and People Per Hour and Guru. So to start as a freelancer in any country, first you have to register or sign up with these websites. If you're really serious about your freelancing career job, then you must remember these points before starting as a freelancing career. The first point is, being a freelancer, time management is very important to get success in your life. You have to prioritize your work, then build up your working schedule. Second point is, make a healthy relationship with the clients and choose the first client very carefully. The third point is, you have to define your goals. The next point is, recognize your target clients to whom you want to give your services and to sell your products. Then you may have doubt how to start a freelance work. Okay, to start a freelance work, there are 5 steps are there. You have to follow these steps. First thing is, you have to choose the area of the work, what you have to do, and what are the skills you have. First, research on work and skills and knowledge before start freelance work, because your payment depends on your quality of the work. The client demands good quality work. So you need to focus on your skills and expertise, and you must also a learning attitude and confident. There are different job categories are there in freelancing. You can choose based on your skills and knowledge, like computer programming, graphic designing, marketing, and SEO experts and content writers. Okay, and also there is software testing jobs are there. Okay, email marketing, digital marketing, social media management. So there are a lot of jobs are there. Based on your skills, you have to choose. Okay, so the next one is, you have to build your own website. So website is the best way to showcase your work to the worldwide. So creating a website, one of the best way to make your own brand. Suppose if you designed a professional website, then it will definitely help you to grow as a freelance career. The next point is, you have to share your website to the network platform. After creating a professional high quality website, then you have to share that website on different social networking websites like LinkedIn, Facebook page, Instagram, Twitter. There are many social networking websites are there, you have to share your website. Then if it is reach more and more people, then the clients will recognize your skills and abilities, then there are chances are there to get projects to you. The next step is you have to create a sample work. So this is one of the main thing to start as a freelance career, because based on your sample work, the clients will approach you. Okay, and the client will recognize your skills and ability. Based on your skills and experience, you have to prepare some high quality professional work. Okay, so then only the clients will approach you. Then the client will judge you whether you are suitable for their projects or not. Okay, the final one is make a budget. So if you are a beginner, then you should not demand for a high rate. First, you have to build a strong relationship with the clients. Then automatically many clients will approach you to give more projects as well. Okay, so these are the steps you have to follow to start as a freelance work. If you have any doubts on this session, please comment in the comment section. I will reply to your queries. Okay, so thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.